In a bowl, add 250 grams unsalted butter, half a cup sugar and 1 cup brown sugar. Mix until creamy. Add 2 eggs and mix well. Then add 2 teaspoons vanilla extract and mix again. In a separate bowl, combine 3 cups flour, 1 teaspoon salt and 1 teaspoon baking soda and mix well. Gradually add the dry ingredients to the batter, mixing well after each addition. Add 2 cups chocolate chips and stir until evenly combined. Using an ice cream scoop, place portions of dough onto a baking tray lined with parchment paper. Make sure to leave enough space between each cookie. Bake in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 minutes. Let the cookies cool, then serve and enjoy. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Heaven's Kitchen for more delicious recipes. Thanks for watching.